Jopur mag pamba e kaonti ma Busia oyudo kodhi tan 17 ma nengogi dirom $45 million mag pamba kowuok kuom sirikal mamalo koluwo migawo mar thieth, ohala kod keto mwandu. Kanoloso e kinde mar yango chenro makamano e boma ma Busia, jagoro mongirore e migawo mar pur mag ohala Juma Mkhwana owacho ni kodhi go geto konyo jopur e wards duto mantiere kaunti no. Mkhwana wacho ni bedo ni kodhi no nitiere kaunti ma Busia biro keto malach puothe mag pamba kowuok e heka 13 kendo jiwo jopur mondo oti kod thuoloni mar pidho pamba e kaunti ma Busia.
Was vibrant. And Africa kuja maneno ya marketing ikaleta shida, so many farmers dropped out. Now fast forward, before this program started, we were doing less than 200 acres. Now in that pilot, and remember it was pilot, so we were able to do slightly over 5,000 acres. We were projecting about 500 kilos per acre, so you can do the maths.
Cotton is one of the priority crops under the bottom-up economic transformation agenda of the national government. So since last year in 2022, countrywide we're only growing about 5,000 acres of cotton. Last year we did a lot of work and we moved this to about 40,000 acres of land. This year our target is 103,000 acres. And we are targeting a number. We have identified 24 counties across the country that are suitable for cotton production. So we are working extremely hard to ensure that we bring up cotton production so that then we can start to make our apparels, we can start to make our own clothes so that the farmers can benefit.